Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to receive payments on your online store. Okay, so let's get to it. Now, when we go to the main menu and then we go to our online store, okay, so this is where all the online setup happens. Okay, so that is one thing we should take note. When you click on the setup and settings, you are able to create your online store over here. Okay, so now let's go over to our online store. We'll click on view online store and it brings us over here. All right, now we are going to look at how to receive payments on your online store. Okay, so imagine your customer goes here, all right, and decides to buy this particular item. Okay, you will click on, the customer will click on add to cart, and then it tells you it's been successful, so the customer can continue shopping, or then they click to view cart when they are ready to process their payment. So this will appear the subtotal, the total of the item they are paying for. Then you click to proceed to checkout. Okay, so once you click to proceed to checkout, they would have to fill in their billing details so that you're able to get the details of your customers. And then over here, this is where their order is summarized. Then when you come here, there's a box that says pay using your card or mobile money wallet, the charges apply. Okay, so then you see that these platforms are the payment options which are available, so then they can use any of them. So once they have all these, if they want to pay via card or via mobile money, okay, they tick this and then they click to place order. Now, once you click to place order, okay, we'll just be waiting for our payment interface. All right, so now this appears. If it's mobile money, you enter your mobile money number, and then you select the provider, and then you click to confirm. If it's card, you click on card, you enter the card details. That's if that's the customer. You enter the customer, enter the card details, enter all these, and then they will click to pay. Okay, now if it's mobile money, once they've entered their number, usually automatically the system will detect the provider. Once you click on confirm, then a mobile pin will be sent to them. To them, and then they have to enter their mobile pin, and then the transaction would have gone through. So this is how you receive payments on your online store. But there's one thing you have to note, that you have to enable payment. It is not automatic that once you create your online store, you'll be able to receive payment. You have to enable your payment, and you do that over here. So you go to the main menu, come to user settings, so you come to the main menu, and then over here you click on Momo and card payment. Momo and card payment, and then you click on payment settings. Now, when you click on payment settings, like I said, you have to apply. If you've not received payment, if you've not applied to be able to receive payments, okay, directly on your online store, you have to apply for it. You have to apply for it. So once you've done that, like I said, you go to the main menu, you go to Momo and card payment, you click on payment settings, it brings you here. Then now you go through the process of applying for a payment. We have a whole video on how to apply how to enable payments. Okay, you do that, then you come here, all right, and then you enter the account code that you'll be given. Okay, once you enter the account code that you'll be given, over here you enable payments. Just make sure you have the valid account code before enabling payments. So you enable payments. By default it's set at no. Once you receive the account info, you click to enable payment, and then you click to save changes. Okay, so once you've done that, then now you'll be able to receive payments successfully. The other thing you also want to notice that when you are now able to receive payments, you should also be able to check your payment history. All right, so we'll look at them one by one as we go. Yeah, so this is your payment history for all the payments that go through your online store. You are able to have records of all those payments here as well. Okay, so this is all for how to receive payments via your online store. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of such amazing videos which are available for you, so do well to check them out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.